So far, we have learned 5 friend and 10 friend formulas separately. 5 friend is also called as small friend and 10 friend is also called as big friend. In this video, we will learn mixed formulas, which is a combination of 10 friend and 5 friend.
Now let's learn mixed formulas for additions.
When adding a digit more than 5 to the existing value on the Abacus scale, we need to use mixed formulas. Let's review them. For adding plus 6, we are gonna use 10 friend. Plus 6 is equal to minus 4 plus 10. However, in some cases, we don't have required bits in the lower section to subtract 4. So we are gonna use 5 friend. 5 friend for minus 4 is plus 1 minus 5. For adding plus 7, 10 friend for plus 7 is minus 3 plus 10. However, in some cases, we don't have required bits to subtract minus 3. We are gonna use 5 friend. 5 friend for minus 3 is plus 2 minus 5 plus 8. 10 friend for plus 8 is minus 2 plus 10. However, in some cases, we don't have required bits to subtract minus 2. So we are gonna use 5 friend. 5 friend for minus 2 is plus 3 minus 5. 10 friend for plus 9 is minus 1 plus 10. We don't have sufficient bits in the lower section. So we are gonna use 5 friend. 5 friend for minus 1 is plus 4 minus 5. Now let's do some additions using mixed formulas. First sum. We need to add 17 to 6. I am adding 10, 5, 2, which is 17. Now I am gonna add 6 to this. 10 friend for 6 is plus 10 minus 4. Plus 10 minus 4. I don't have sufficient bits in the lower section. So I am gonna use 5 friend. 5 friend for 4 is minus 5 plus 1. Answer is 23. Now let's do second sum. Let's add 17. 1, 5 and 2, which makes 17. Now let's add 7 to this. Mixed formula for 7 is plus 2 minus 5 plus 10. The answer is 24. Now let's do another sum. Now let's add 16. 10, 5 and 1, which makes 16. Now let's add 8 to this. Let's use mixed friend. Mixed friend for 8 is plus 3, remove 5 and plus 10. Answer is 24. Now let's do another sum. Now we'll add 15. I'm gonna add 10 and 5, which makes 15. Now let's add 9 to this. Mixed formula for 9 is plus 4 minus 5 plus 10. Answer is 24.